Buttermilk is a staple ingredient in many recipes, including pancakes, biscuits, and fried chicken. It is made by fermenting milk, which gives it a tangy and slightly sour taste. Buttermilk can be purchased at most grocery stores, but it can also be made at home with just a few simple ingredients. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make buttermilk at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice. Instructions: start by measuring out 1 cup of whole milk and pour it into a mixing bowl or a measuring cup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to the milk. Stir the mixture well to combine. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes at room temperature. The acid in the vinegar or lemon juice will start to curdle the milk, creating the buttermilk. After 10 minutes, the milk should have thickened and curdled. You can test this by tilting the bowl or measuring cup. If the liquid is thickened and the top is slightly curdled, it's ready. Use the buttermilk immediately in your recipe or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Note: if you don't have white vinegar or lemon juice, you can also use cream of tartar or yogurt as a substitute. Just use 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar or yogurt for every cup of milk. One thing to keep in mind is that homemade buttermilk will not have the same thick consistency as store-bought buttermilk. But the taste will be the same, and you can still use it in all the same recipes. Buttermilk is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different dishes. It can be used as a marinade for chicken or fish, added to pancakes or waffles for a tangy flavor, or used as a base for salad dressings. It's also a popular ingredient in baking, as it helps to make baked goods light and fluffy. In conclusion, making buttermilk at home is an easy and cost-effective way to have this versatile ingredient on hand. With just 2 simple ingredients, you can make a batch of buttermilk in just 10 minutes. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your cooking and baking.